Hi viewers, today we are come here for this wheel loader. Wheel loader has a problem, it's not moving. So I checked all the is what is problem. This one is shifter, gear 1, gear 2, gear 3 and gear 4. All gears are not working, but this machine is moving in gear 2, not 1, 3, 4. So we are searching it. This is a wires. I check this connector is coming from this shifter. So I checked all the gears, the power is here and the machine is correctly changing the gears. Gear 1, 2, 3 is okay, no problem. After I checked, here is a TCU, is called transmission control units. I checked also, this one is a connector. You can see is a connector of this TCU. I check from here, continuity is a, I checked from, you can see I checked all the wires, its continuity is okay from this connector to this TCU connectors are okay. Afterwards I check the continuity from transmission control valve, from the transmission control valve to this TCU transmission controller. So there are 6 wires, so 5 wires showing the continuity, but 1 wire was not showing any continuity. So now I am going to there check the 6th wire not showing any continuity. Okay, we check the wire, we saw this wire is broken from here. Okay, check, see. And to show you want to, so viewers, you can see this connectors. This connector is connected on the transmission side. So during our diagnostic process we check the continuity between this connector and the transmission controller connectors. So one wire was not showing any continuity, so we unwrapped this lump of wires. We found not only one wire was broken, but other 5 wires were also damaged very badly. So finally I am closing all the opening connectors. This one is our TCU connector, I'm going to reconnect it. So this one is fixed, and here's a transmission. This one is a shifter connectors. We also fix it back from where we disconnected from here. This fix it back. So start it. Start first, after we can start. So you can see we start the machines, and you must see our TV was on the bed. So thanks viewers, you can see we are today again we are succeeded to fix the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.